Well, I believe we are filming, and we have a grommet that goes between the camera and the pole that I'm hoping is minimizing any type of noise. I can't hear anything. Hopefully you can't either. Just cruising around the place where we always go. Over that. Over that. Let's make sure while this thing's wobbling here that it doesn't mess anything up. You get through some pretty tight spaces here, can't you? See? So now we gotta go outside and test this little fucker out here. Let's see what happens. This will be part of me. Come on. Can't do much about that. That's just the way that's going to go. This wall is not very wide, as you see. Kind of cramped. I can fix it up a little bit, but I ain't doing it. I'm not really sure why it does that. I have to look at the wheels and move them around. I'm not talking very loud either, so you can hear me then. That's a pretty good pickup. We have 88%. Minute 32. So let's go back and see what we got here. And if it was a little heavier, maybe I don't think it matters. We got those things in the concrete, and that's what it's going to do. But just go right here. I think, how is that? You know, we're not really supposed to be going very fast when we do this because we're supposed to be talking or selling or whatever. And of course, if you have to, you can always pick it up because it's not that heavy. You know, if you want to go with a threshold like that. Hey, little buddy. Pardon me, excuse me. Let's go on in here and see how this fucker's doing. I mean, see how this thing's doing. Okay, well, thank you. And stop. Pause. End.